Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to create a custom server in Battlefield 2042's Portal mode. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So Portal mode in Battlefield 2042 allows you to make custom servers with custom rule sets. So if you want to go ahead and make a vehicle only mode where the vehicles spawn at a high rate, well, you can easily do that. So I'm just on the main menu where I can see the multiplayer right here for PvP, then hazard zone, and then here is Portal. Let's go ahead and select this. Now under here, you have at the top featured, browse, and host. Right here, you can go ahead and scan the QR code in the top right and open this up on your phone. Otherwise, you can go to portal.battlefield.com to access the Battlefield Builder. Now, for some reason, they do not allow you to make custom rule sets for servers within the game. You have to open up a web browser or an application. It's really silly, but that's how it's done. And then you can go ahead and enter in someone else's code right here. If they made a custom rule set, they will have a code that they can share, and you can enter it in here. It will be like 7 or 8 digits long. So now let's go over to my web browser where I have this already open up. So let's go to desktop number 2. And all you have to do is go to portal.battlefield.com, press enter, and this will open up. And make sure you're signing in with the same email address. Mine was the same as my PlayStation account, the same email address, and I was able to easily log in. So once you log in, this is what you'll see. And you can modify like custom rule sets for Battlefield 1942, Bad Company, or Battlefield 3. Then you can see create something new. Now I already had something made, and here is one of them, vehicles right here. But I'm going to select create something new. And this is what it'll look like. And you can choose between the game mode like Conquest Large, Team Deathmatch, Free for All, Rush. I'm going to do Conquest Large. Then go to map rotation. And you can choose these specific maps. So let's just choose some of these maps right here. And all the maps are quite large. And I'm just going to choose them all. And then go to game mode details. And here is the max amount of players in the game, 128. Game type, spawn type right here. All right, here is the game time. I'm going to increase the game time. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the next gameplay slide. And then you can choose on friendly fire, projectile speed multiplayer, global damage multiplier. So there is a bunch of stuff. I'm going to just turn off extreme weather events. That kind of gets annoying and old after a while. Aim assist, you can completely turn that off. Go to soldier, man down type. What's in here? Instant death or down. Prone, you can completely disable prone. That's interesting. Or sprinting or aiming down sights. Go over to vehicles now. Vehicle spawn delay multiplier. I'm just going to completely remove this on both of them. And then exiting vehicle. Let's go ahead and just turn that off so you can't run around on the ground. And then combat vehicle spawn type determined by game mode. Let's go ahead and just do, let's just leave that how it is and go to user interface. Compass on, minimap on, good. Then let's go to AI. And I don't know, I'm just going to leave this how it is. And then go to teams. And here I can see everything. Restrictions, teams. Map default, team 2, team 1. And then you can choose like if you want a Battlefield 1942 teams and their vehicles, etc. And I'm just going to leave it how it is. The map defaults. And go to finish. Now you have to name it. Let's go to only vehicles. And then just type in only vehicles again. I think I spelled that wrong, but that's great. I don't care. Let's go to create now. Then you have the option to show code right here. And this is my custom code for this mode. AAKCCC. So I can copy this and just bring it over to my game. But if I sign in with the correct email address and password, when I go back over to my PlayStation, it should be on there now. So if I go back to Battlefield Portal on this web browser, it should be listed as a game type under my experiences. Yep, only vehicles. Let's go back over to my PlayStation and just see if this loaded in. I might have to reset it. So I'm back in the portal mode and it's already displaying up here. So let's go to only vehicles and then just rename this. Go to only vehicles, only cars or something like that. Let's just do that. Then I can go over to host server. Let's press X and see what happens. Oh, we got to put a description in here. And then host server. It says you are responsible for all content on the server. All right, so this is loading up on renewal now, and we'll see what happens. It says stand by. So other people should be able to find this, and they should be able to join. And I do have crossplay turned off, so only people on the PlayStation should be able to join. So it says waiting for players to join. I'm not sure if it will start without people in the game. There might be an option in the settings for that where you can just go ahead and start it. And it looks like my server is indeed loading up. I can see my character right here. And let's see if it just makes me spawn in a vehicle, or I have to go ahead and select one, or if I can just spawn into the map. So I can see vehicles right here. Let's go to a helicopter. I really need experience flying this around because I am very terrible at flying it right now. Every time I jump into it when I'm in the multiplayer, I ended up getting shot down by anti-air missiles or another Apache or something like that. So I never get the chance to actually get good at them. So these custom servers will be very beneficial for specific tasks like vehicles and leveling those vehicles up and just getting good at them before you jump into the main multiplayer and you get shot down or something like that. So I am in the vehicle now, and let's go ahead and just land and see if I can get out. And when you're a passenger in the vehicle too, it's kind of annoying when the person turns a lot and you can't aim. So just having some experience. Oh, looks like I'm on fire. Can I jump out? No, I just ended up dying. But that is how you create a custom server. And I was on the PlayStation 5 and I used the PC. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.